I can't be up in these teachers' faces with my lace showing. They don't know no better, so they're gonna stare. So. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by me by way of KENN's debit card, and it's gonna be a real quick install and review. I got things to do. Bars. Before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Hey y'all. So, your girl had a weekend. I know I sound kind of but yeah, your girl had a weekend, and I'm still trying to get, wait, where is the day? Hold up. But mommy duty calls. I need to get myself together for this little school function that I gotta go to. So today we are trying the Sensational Bare Lace Bare Luxe collection. This is the Y part unit in the style GENN. No, GENN. I always want to say Glenn. I got her in the color number 2. That is what she is looking like. And it's kind of reminding me of a stationary Adana. So I'm kind of excited about that because I know how I love that wig. This is what the card is looking like. Okay, Y part GENN. Their hairline compared to others. We gonna see. This wig does come in some special colors, but I wanted to keep it simple with the color number 2. I feel like I have a gray in one of these. Okay, I don't got a lot of time, so let me hurry up. Me walking in late reflects badly on my kids. Mama gotta make sure she is on time, okay? It already feels soft. Wait a minute, it's a left side part. God dang. We here now, so this is how she is looking. That looks real nice and healthy too. Dang it, it's a left side part. It's kind of giving like an ashy look. I think that's more so like the luster on the hair. The curl though is gorgeous. The nice wave in it. Dang, a left side part though. Just the 5-inch Y part in the front, and then you got 2 combs on the sides of the part, a comb in the back, the adjustable straps with the nape grip, and the attached elastic band. We'll see how this fits. If I gotta cut my elastic band out, then I will. Y'all know my head is big every day, okay, gang gang. I don't wanna wear this left side part. Use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze. I probably will spray this down just to make sure I have a seamless melt. I can't be up in these teachers' faces with my lace showing. They don't know no better, so they're gonna stare, so. You know, I don't care about them, but you know, I can't be embarrassing my kids. Ooh, I washed my hair, so it's a little tight in the curl department. Use my As I Am to spray it down. Put on my tight joint today. I just want to make sure my hair gonna be flat. Uh-oh, is she too tight? This texture is not as thick as Adana. It's definitely given a silky with a light yak. I would say more silky than yacky, but it still has texture that it will not tangle as fast or look as fake. Okay, I might have to cut this band off. It's pulling on my sides. Honestly, the hairline could be better. Let me get my tweezers, hold up. Let me get a little sip. Pull out some of this hair right here, just to break it up a bit. You don't gotta do too much, just open it up a bit. Pull out that loose hair. I mean, could I do a flip over? Yes. Cut off this ear tab. Now it should go pretty fast because the rest is just brushing. Ow. It's just too tight. So let me just cut the band off. Feels better already. I'm gonna use my melt spray. Spray this down. I want this to be back out of my face. Blow dry this on cool. There are flyaways in my face somewhere. All right, let me go ahead and wrap this down, do my makeup, and then we'll come back, brush it out, and be on our way. I'm running behind schedule. Somebody asked me recently about the white cast they've been getting around their lace when they take their band off. So when you spray your wig down, spray it down first and then you blow dry it on cool. Then if you want to top it again, spray it again and then blow dry it and then wrap it down. Leave it as long as you want. I say at least 5 minutes. And then when you're taking the band off, peel it from the top. Don't just go right across the front. You're literally lifting up the work you just did. So peel it down from the top like so, and then you can use whatever contour, makeup, lace tint you have to blend in that lace. You can see right here I have a little excess crusties on my skin. Take a little bit of water and get that off. I'm gonna spray a little bit on my finger like that, and I'm just gonna wipe that off with my finger. I promise you can do this as well. This is my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Katsina. That's a little bit too much. Let me take some off. Tap some on some paper, and then I'm gonna blend my lace in. Make sure I look up, because you can see right there, that's a ring. We don't want the ring. Now obviously when I go outside it may look a little darker, so I won't blend it as much or tint it as much under my lights because I don't want to have that orange ring around my face when I go outside. I'm going to use my foundation brush and just blend that all together. Like I told y'all, there's silkiness in this hair. That's what's going to bring the tangles. I'm going to use a little bit of my silk spray. This will add a little bit of luster, but I need to help with those tangles a little bit more and those flyaways in my face. Okay, and I'm pretty sure that is it. So here's the final look. It came together. That left side part, no, but the flip over, yes, it does snag and tangle because of the silkiness in the hair, but outside of that, nothing crazy for the unit. Y'all saw that I did cut a little bit more layers right here in the front just to kind of open that up a little bit for my face, and I do like it a lot more. If I want to curl this wig later on, you know, if I decide to cut it or, you know, give it a little extra bump, this wig is heat safe up to 400 degrees, 350 to 400. I always say stay on the lower end just to test it before you hit that 400, just to make sure you're not going to melt your wig, because again, it's synthetic. But outside of that, that's pretty much all I got for this wig. So if you're looking for a sleeker textured unit, GENN, not Glenn, may be the one for you. Okay, Sensational, you did a little something, I did the rest. But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.